Okay, today I'm going to show you how to change the screen on an HP Notebook Touch. Pretty simple procedure. It shouldn't take long at all. First, we're going to start off by removing the outside here, and I'm just using an old credit card. I'm going to get in there. It's just going to pop open. I'm going to connect it down here and make sure that on this model there's two screws here. I've already removed the one on the right. I just grabbed a needle, and the easy way to do that is you just pop off the plastic cover, and then you can see that it has a screw there. You make sure we remove those screws, one on either side. And then again, it'll be glued around the bottom here, along the bottom. So you just come in here, pop that off, bezel come off, lift that, set it aside. Alright, and then there are 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I've already removed those, save time for the film. And at which point you just slide this forward, lay it down, disconnect this connector there, and then there's your old screen. We'll take that, set it aside. Grab the new one, place it face down, and we'll just reverse the process. Take a connector, make sure that's connected and seated well. There's actually a piece of tape that was holding that onto there. So we'll go ahead and place that back on there, like that. And then we'll take it. I'll line our screws back up.
Daddy.
Lay this back on the back to make it a little bit easier. And then we'll place our screws back in there. Keep in mind that the screws that hold the bezel on and the 4 screws that hold the screen in are 2 different sizes. So make sure you make note of that. All 4 screws are back in. Take the bezel, place that back on there. Start at the bottom, which is the reverse process of where I'm taking it apart. And then this will just pop right back into place. Don't try to force these. If you have to force it, you probably got it misaligned a little bit, so just be gentle with it. You don't want to be buying another replacement screen. Once those are all back in, take your bezel screws, place those back in there. Like so. And then you take your bezel screw covers and place those back right on there. They're just sticky on one side. They just stick right back onto the same spot that you took them off of. And that completes the process of changing your screen on your HP notebook.